Magandang araw mga kababayan. Narito na naman ang isang kapanapanabik na kwento mula sa ating mga boksingerong Pinoy.
Tomoyama stops Cervania on his track. Cervania tries to answer back and a jab. And I do not believe that he has won. He scored a TKO victory. That's hard right, and down goes Tomoyama for the second time.
Matapos ang magkasunod na knockout wins ng ating kababayan na si Genesis Cervania at matapos lang ang 2 buwan ay muli itong napalaban kontra sa Japanese challenger na si Konosuke Tomiyama na kung saan muling titipensahan ni Cervania ang hawak nitong WBO Asia Pacific Super Bantamweight Belt. Si Konosuke Tomiyama ay may record na 23 wins, 5 losses at 8 knockouts, habang si Genesis Cervania ay may undefeated record na 21 wins at 8 knockouts. Samantala, ayon sa Japanese challenger, siya umano ang magbibigay ng unang talo sa Pinoy na pinaghandaan niya at pinag-aralan, di umano ang galawan ng Pinoy. Kaya naman sa pagpasok at pag-akyat nito sa ring ay kumpiyansa ang Hapon na tatalunin niya ang Pinoy. Samantala, sa bakbakan ng dalawa, sa pagsimula ng round 1, ay pinatikim na ng Pinoy ang bagsik ng kamao nito nang tamaan ng isang left hook na nagpabaksak sa Japanese boxer.
Against Konosuke Tomiyama, long-rangey fighter out of Tokyo, Japan, and he is down quickly. A sudden and dramatic turn, the Torie count. Just about to tell you that Tomiyama has actually fought for the World Championship. A couple of years and had him down in the first round, but it is he who goes down hard. Cervania's nicknamed Bazooka comes into the ring with not a big KO mark, but as you can see, he is not devoid of power. And a very rocky start for Tomiyama. Cervania looking great here in the opening moments, and now Tomiyama combination of the fight. Here comes Cervania. These two are throwing the leather.
Dito nakabawi ang Hapon nang tamaan ng Pinoy ng left straight na nagpa-outbalance sa ating kababayan.
First minute. And he scores a knockdown with a left hand. Both fighters have tasted the canvas here in round 1 of the champion, Cervania. Here comes Tomiyama back. Good jab by Tomiyama. Tries that uppercut, now here comes...
Bago matapos ang round 1, ay dito muling tinamaan ng ating kababayan ng right straight sa panga. Kaya pinaulan ito ng kaliwat ka ng kombinasyon ng Hapon na nagpabaksak muli sa ating kababayan.
Tomiyama stops Cervania on his track. Cervania tries to answer back, and the champion is down again. Second time he is down. On 1. Awesome. And you just in the first round, Cervania came out and landed that beautiful.
Sa pagpapatuloy ng laban, ipursigido ang ating kababayan na makabawi sa Hapon.
Hands are into it. Christina, you know, sometimes it...
Fight, and this fight right here, hitting a Japanese against a Filipino, they're very...
A lot of movement, his toes jumping up and down, but no, it certainly didn't. It was an amazing turn. I was just about to tell you about the Nobuo Noshiro fight for championship in 09. He was stopped in 8 rounds, but he had the champion in a bad way in the first round and knocked down on that. As he comes forward, record I started to mention to you, Tomiyama, long-range arena and his right strike. Tokyo, Japan, we've seen a real good fight, very knockdowns in the first round. Cervania scoring the first one and now coming in and landing a beautiful right on the judges' scorecards. Cervania has been marked. Referee is Danrex Taksadan in his world game. By Tomiyama, Cervania answers right back to Tomiyama.
Sa round 3, ay dito nakabawi ang ating kababayan nang tamaan nito ng right straight na nagpabaksak sa Japanese boxer sa ikalawang pagkakataon.
Hard right, and down goes Tomiyama for the second time. Fourth knockdown of the fight. He was really flattened, but he got to have his legs underneath him. And let's see what Cervania can do. Hard right by by Cervania. Tomoyama in trouble. Back into a corner. Bell sounds into the round. Well done. There's that right hand. I mean, a crushing 4 knockdowns so far. This is the 4th of the fight. And
Sa round 4 ay patuloy ang mainit na bakbakan at palitan ng mga kombinasyon ng dalawa.
but he's trying to get his jab going. He was successful on that formula here again. But Cervania at left hook, really down in their punches, trying to get the proper levers as they go along and develop. And now Tomoyama mounting his own comeback. Tomoyama does have the good nice combination. That's a good 1-2 that Tomoyama has. Now he comes forward, he pushes. There's a wide variety.
10 seconds. Stop the bell.
Oh, beautiful left hook by Cervania. Gets Tomoyama in trouble. Staggers back against the ropes of his very early and seen these deep undercard fights in there. So you come out here to Macau and you're third against Brandon Rios. Miguel also has a very good right, but usually he follows his jab by Cervania.
He really comes on the second.
Taking that, it's hard to generate power when you're inside. They have 6 videos more up to the action. Long range right hand, and again, right at him all the best. Glad he's recovering very well. He'll be back at the mic very soon. Nice combination by Tomoyama as he tries to even dug a right hand to the body. Tomoyama.
Letting him loose, and as you can see, just throwing the right hand.
Maybe that's when he was thrown in this round was to the body. It's a one-armed fighter against the Cervania. I see a smear of blood on Tomoyama's midway through the round with a hard right. Tomoyama in some trouble, staggers back a second, started to glances over at his corner. Right back to the jab goes Tomoyama. Jabbing. I think that's a good idea for him. Yama scored 2 knockdowns. Cervania scored 2 knockdowns. He does have power. He's not devoid of power despite that low knockout ratio. Be aired for those of you in America. You can watch that fight tonight on HBO 2. Nice to see the crew of Larry Merchant, Tim Ryan, George Foreman yesterday. George holding. Tomoyama actually is having a pretty good. I would guess that Cervania is showing he can still summon up some strength and energy, but there's that good left hook. I love the left hook that Cervania throws. He can really dig it to the body, too. Body or head. Asia Pacific Super Bantamweight title on the line. In the United States, for those of you watching in the U.S., but it means a lot here. We have a Japanese fighter against a Philippine fighter here. They'll have a Thai fight. Good right hand by Tomoyama. Utilizing the jab. Getting some rhythm going. Point is Cervania. Tomoyama's having good fortune with keep the fight at long range. Last year went through 3 fights. This is his second fight this year. His first one was against himself. We mentioned Tomoyama had fought for a world title, but Cervania we've seen in the ring for the distance with Warhead fighters recently, really picking up his level of confidence. Nice combination and a follow-up right by Cervania. And another right, but partially blocked by the shoulder of Tomoyama. Tomoyama answers back with a right of his own, and here they go again as the bell sounds. That's his nickname. He fights out of he's a very clever kid. Probably both fighters are happy this one wasn't scheduled for 12. 6 minutes remaining. I believe Cervania's ahead of him. And it may still not.
Sa round 9, itinigil muna ng referee ang laban para ipasuri ang bitak sa eyelid ng Pinoy sa gina accidental headbutt.
Chelsea's head.
Ayon sa ringside physician ay di na pwedeng ipagpatuloy pa ang laban kaya't sumenyas na si ref na tapos na ang laban. Japanese boxer at napaakyat pa ito sa lubid at nagsisigaw sa tuwa. Ang buong akala ay siya na ang nanalo by a technical knockout dahil sa paghinto ng laban.
Open, and they're calling it a headbutt, which means they are going to score the fight and score that last round.
Ngunit dahil sa headbutt, ay scorecard ang pagbabasehan ng desisyon. Panalo si Genesis Urbania by a 9th round technical split decision at dahil dito, dismayado ang Japanese boxer. Anong masasabi mo sa ating kwento mga kababayan? Maaari ka magbigay ng komento. Huwag din kalimutang i-like and share ang ating kwento. Hanggang sa muli, God bless!